Okay, so today we are going to learn. The aim of this video is to make you learn the dreaded trigonometrical ratios in under 5 minutes. So just cram these three triangles that I have here. One, two, three. Just cram these three triangles and we are good to go. So I promise if you need that you will never need any other mnemonic device. So if you want the complete logic and the detailed explanation for this magic triangles, I have prepared a detailed video which you will find in the description below. Otherwise, this video is good enough for you. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 here are the main triangles. Just cram these triangles in your head and we are good to go. So there are two secondary triangles further. These are the secondary triangles here, but they are just an inclined form of 2 and 3. 2 and 3, what triangles? These triangles, 2 and 3, the secondary triangles are just an inclined form of these two main triangles. And I have tilted PQR like this from the third main triangle and XYZ secondary triangle from the second magic triangle like this. The third triangle is a bit weird, but that's okay. So I would go in this order by solving the trigonometrical ratio series. So I'll solve the trigonometrical ratio 0 degree first, then for 90, then 45 degree, then for 30 degree, and for the 60 degree. So let's start. So first we'll solve a trigonometrical ratio number 1, that is 0 degree. So sine 0 degree, for sine 0 degree, we'll move on to our triangle PQR, the secondary triangle. So in secondary triangle, sine 0 degree basically means that perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So 0 upon 1, which will be 0, will be our answer to sine 0 degree. Then we'll move to cos 0 degree. With respect to this triangle only, PQR, our cos 0 degree will be 1 divided by 1. Why? Because base upon hypotenuse will be a cos 0 degree, because I believe that's the formula, which will be 1. Then tan 0 degree. Tan 0 degree can be, with respect to this figure, tell us perpendicular upon base. That is 0 divided by 1, which can easily be referred to as 0. Then we'll move to our second trigonometrical ratio, 90 degree. Now 90 degree here, for 90 degree, we'll move on to our third main triangle. And for sine 90 degree, 1 divided by 1 will be a final answer. Why? Because perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to sine theta. Now 1 divided by 1 can be written as 1 also. Then we'll move to our second trigonometrical ratio of 90 degree. That is cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is 0 divided by 1. Why? Because it is based upon hypotenuse. So therefore it is 0 divided by 1, which can simply be written as 0. Then tan 90 degree. Tan 90 degree, we'll look at this main triangle, main magic triangle, and 1 divided by 0 will be our tan 90 degree, answer to a tan 90 degree. Why? Because perpendicular upon base is the answer to tan 90 degree, which is 1 divided by 0. And 1 divided by 0 is not 0, but it is infinity, or it can be more specifically mentioned as not defined. Then we'll move to a third trigonometrical ratio, that is 45 degree. So for 45 degree, we'll move to our first magic triangle. For first magic triangle, sine 45 degree will be 1 divided by root 2. Why? Because our perpendicular is 1, hypotenuse is root 2. So sine theta is equal to 1 upon root 2, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Therefore, sine 45 is 1 divided by root 2. Cos 45 degree is also 1 divided by root 2. Why? Because base is 1, hypotenuse is root 2. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Therefore, 1 divided by root 2 is the answer to cos 45 degree. Then tan 45 degree is 1 divided by 1. Why? Because perpendicular divided by base is 1 upon 1, which can be simply written as 1. Then we'll move further to our fourth trigonometrical ratio. I'm sorry, the words coming jumbled out, which is 30 degree. So for 30 degree, we'll move to our secondary magic triangle, which has been born out of the second magic triangle, XYZ. I have inclined the secondary triangle as this. So our sine 30 degree will be perpendicular upon base 1 divided by 2, which can be written as 0.5. But it is advisable that in trigonometry you write it in fraction form. Then we'll move to our cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is based upon hypotenuse, and with respect to this figure, root 3 upon 2 will be a final answer in fraction. Remember that. Then our tan 30 degree, which is 1 divided by root 3. Why? Because the answer to tan 30 degree, the formula for tan 30 is tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Therefore, tan 30 degree is 1 divided by root 3. Okay. Then we'll move to a final trigonometrical ratio series, that is 60 degree. Now 60 degree, for 60 degree, we move to our second magic triangle, main magic triangle, which is XYZ, triangle XYZ. For calculating sine 60 degree, root 3 divided by 2 will be a final answer. Why? Because perpendicular upon hypotenuse is the answer to sine 60 degree, which is root 3 divided by 2. Why? Because root 3 is our perpendicular and 2 is our base. 2 is our hypotenuse, pardon. So cos 60 degree. We'll move on next. So cos 60 degree is 1 divided by 2. Why? Because base is 1, hypotenuse is 2. So 1 divided by 2. Why? Because the answer to cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So therefore 1 divided by 2 is the answer for cos 60 degree. Then our final answer to the whole trigonometrical ratio, the magic triangle video, is tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is root 3 upon 1. Why? Because root 3 is perpendicular. Our 1 is the base. So therefore, root 3 upon 1 will be our final answer for tan 60 degree. So that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. For a detailed explanation of this video, you could go to the description below and find the part B of this magic triangle series. So stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye.